Building a website for your Christmas lights installation service shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your Christmas lights installation service. Let's jump in. If you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't quite heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, as you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, Christmas lights installation. You also have the option to select the general service business template. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our Christmas lights installation service so it can generate a simple website for us. Now, pop in your company name, your city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click the continue button, Mighty Sites will work its magic and generate a simple website for your business. Also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform, show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you specific to a Christmas lights installation service, and selected images as well. They're really high quality and they're specific to a Christmas lights installation service too. Very merry, as you can see. However, you can change the images if you want to upload some of your own, and you can edit the content as well to make it a bit more personalized to your very own business. We pretty much just wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your business. To make any changes, let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, you can pop in a few contact details for your business. So I'm going to put in my email address over here, and I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. Excellent. Phone number, that's click to call. Physical location, maybe you are mobile, so you can leave it off, but when your website's live, if you put in an address over here, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. Once you've done that, the little social media icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website. If you've got a business logo, make your way over to the next section to upload it. You can edit your logo by clicking on that little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. To change the colors used throughout your brand new website, just click on that paint icon. There are so many color palettes to choose from. You're bound to find one that's suitable for your small business. For the sections you'd like to change up those images and maybe change those call to action buttons, the text on them, just click on update section directly underneath it. Over here you have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. All you need to do is change the keywords and you'll find suitable images for your website. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, pull in those photos if you have a profile for your business. Underneath that update action section, you have the option to change those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with your different rates or packages for Christmas lights installation services. You can also link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings for free estimates, so pop in a calendar booking website URL over there. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you with all their queries. Domains are really easy as well. If you've already purchased a custom domain, that was absolutely a smart move, because having a custom domain for your business website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. To connect it, just click on that button at the bottom, connect your domain. You also have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. Just click on I want a new domain. Really hope this short overview video was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on Mighty Sites for your Christmas lights installation service. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that 7-day free trial available. Click on the link below to get started. If you have any questions about Mighty Sites, pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. All the best.